today's video. One of the most common skin concern is hyperpigmentation. Most people will have some form of hyperpigmentation on their skin, whether it is on your face, your neck, your décolleté, your hands, or anywhere on your body. Now, this is bothersome to most people, especially when the hyperpigmentation is on the face. Now, there are many ways of getting rid of the hyperpigmentation. You can use a bleaching cream. You can get it professionally removed by your dermatologist. You can do a skin peel, and you can even do laser. However, if you're not willing to do any of those, you can try some home remedies. Now, today I have an amazing home remedy for you in the form of an exfoliator. This you're going to use on your skin 2 to 3 times a week to exfoliate the skin, the face, the neck, and the décolleté. It is not magic, so you will have to use it for a while to see results. However, I'm using ingredients that are known to get rid of hyperpigmentation. I so believe in this hyperpigmentation remover ingredient that I even create a skincare line around it. It is our Supreme Age Renewal skincare set, and this you can find on my website, ALESMAXii.com. I will put the link somewhere here, or my website name somewhere here for you to go. But if you are looking to try a DIY, then guess what, guys? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share a full detailed recipe with you, and also share some tips on how to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. Now, potato also, guys, have to lift, tighten, and firm the skin, because it has this amazing starch in it. So if you also have wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, this is going to help. If you have large open pores, this could also help. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Don't forget, if you want to check out my skincare line that do contain potato also, visit my website, ALESMAXii.com. So my first ingredient is going to be potato. And potato is known to clear pigmentation on the skin. Potato, when chilled, contain catecholase, which when applied to the skin also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Another amazing benefit of potato is that it contains starch. This starch is good to use on the skin topically to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. I'm going to be peeling the potato, and once I peeled, I'm going to chop it in small pieces. I'm going to be blending the potato. However, if you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you can grate the potato. Once I finish chopping the potato, I'm going to reach for my small blender, and I'm going to add the chopped potato to the blender. We're not going to add any liquid to this. We're going to blend as is. Before we blend, however, let's reach for our second ingredient. Here I have some orange peel, and this is dried orange peel. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C have to lighten and brighten and also reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Here I already have some blended powdered vitamin C in the form of orange peel, and I'm going to pour about a teaspoon in the blender along with the potato. So I have 2 powerful anti-aging ingredients that are known to lighten, brighten, and reduce wrinkles. So now let's put this together and let's blend. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have our blended potato and orange peel. This is what we're going to be using to exfoliate the skin. 2 amazing ingredients. However, we're going to add one more ingredient to this, which is going to kick it up a notch. Now, we're going to be using some oatmeal in this. So I want you to go ahead and blend that oatmeal to a powder. Here I already have some blended oatmeal, and you can use any type of oatmeal for this recipe. Oatmeal contains exfoliating properties. It also helps to tighten and firm the skin. I'm using about 2 teaspoons of the oatmeal, and we're going to blend this in our potato and our orange peel. Just 3 ingredients for clearing hyperpigmentation. If you have oily skin, this is good to extract the extra sebum from the skin. If you have wrinkled skin, this is good to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. If you have dry skin, this is also going to help to hydrate the skin. Large pores. This is going to help to clean those pores out. Now that we mix these 3 natural ingredients, we're going to pour this in storage container. Use any sterilized storage jar for this recipe, and you can choose to store this in your refrigerator. Now, if you want a little extra moisture to this, go ahead and add some oils. I suggest you can add coconut oil if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go ahead and add 2 to 3 drops of some grapeseed oil or some cucumber seed oil or even some pomegranate seed oil. So now this is ready to use, and all you have to do is to wash your face the way you normally do, and then you're going to take a small amount of this and you're going to use it to exfoliate the skin. You're just rubbing it over the areas that you are looking to lighten, brighten, clear hyperpigmentation, get rid of excess dirt from the skin. Another great benefit for this is that you can also use it as a facial mask. You can choose to apply it on the skin, let it sit on the skin for at least 30 minutes. After it sits on the skin, then go ahead, take your hands and exfoliate the skin and rinse off. Good to use at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. What other ingredients would you add to this mixture? Don't forget to use this at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. If you're looking for natural, clear, glowing skin, getting rid of the hyperpigmentation on the skin, why not give this a try, or try our skincare line right here, ALESMAXii.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.